Hello guys, what's going on? In today's video I'm going to show you how we can use Lexica AI with our PC. So just follow my steps, keep going, and let's get started. So let's type in our search bar in any browser, doesn't even matter, Lexica AI. Go on this website and here's our dashboard. It's very simple to use. Just you can click get started button here. You can just create your account or log in, as you can just create your account or log in as I do. I will log in because I have an account. So what we're gonna do now, here is so many styles, colors, palettes, so many things, very beautiful by the way. We can go to generate and we can describe our image from here. So let's try some Asian girl in cyberpunk style. It's negative prompt. We can describe things to exclude from this photo, but I don't need anything to exclude from this photo, so I will just click generate and as you can see our generated art. I'm excited to say that, so very beautiful. Yeah, if you click generate again, you will see another photos, not the same ones. So I think that's a good option from this website. I hope you liked the video, so subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.